Emakhosini, this is the power of healing with Utabi Ungowekhethelo. I think now I'm in good recovery stage. Yeah, as you've noticed, I think the past few months I was sick. Guys, amakhosi ayasetshenziswa. Amakhosi ayasetshenziswa, abasemanzini bayasetshenziswa, and not in a way yokuthi you feel it. You go through things, you feel it. So I felt it. Angifuni nje ukungasho, I felt it the past few months in such a way that after Mina being sick, and then my son, I think a week ago, was admitted to hospital, but then ngiyabonga amathonga kithi he's okay. So yeah, uyasebenza la, usebenza uphothulile, usebenze ufile ukuthi hayi ngingena deep. So yasetshenzwa also guys, kunokwenzeka ukuthi mhlambe when I upload i-video ayiphelele, please note ukuthi uzoyithola ephelele kule enye app ne if ukuthi ayiphelelanga la, because I'm one person angithanda uku-upload abo part 1 nabo part 2 nani. I think for me, because omunye umuntu ubheka part 2 angamzwanga kahle part 1, so you miss out on a lot of information. Yeah, but ke uzoyithola kule enye indawo i-YT angithi niyasi. Now ngifuna ukukhuluma nga something ne ebamba abantu abaningi guys, asikhululaneni, siku revelation angithi sisesikhathini se revelation. So I always speak about dimensions and no good na different realms, right? So today ngifuna ukuthatha, I think based on my experience, ngifuna ukuthatha endabeni ethini yokuhlukanisela umuntu imkhathi. Kunabantu abagulayo guys, and abekho ku space of recovery, but ba in between imikhathi ne. So I wanna narrate a story yami, personal story, my first huge assignment as a medium. I think that promoted me into being a shaman kakhulu. I think that assignment, it was basically 2 assignments, but not that they were the first, but they were huge in such a way that I think that's when I started a self-initiation. Because before, as ngengayenza video ngathi, you first start with a self-training. So I did explain ukuthi ngaspenda more than 30 years on self-training, and then got into a self-initiation, which is 2 different things. So ngifuna uku-explain guys ukuthi, because the journey is not smooth. Mina angeke ngize ngidlale ngani nginibonise ama rose petals, nginithembisa ama rose petals awekho, but ngifuna nje ukuthi nginixoxe. So my assignment, my first huge assignment yayenzeka ngisemsebenzini ne, and nakhona I think mayenzeka bese siqala ukukhala ne kimi in a way that yeah, it was beginning to be wow. So I had ukuthi ngiyohlukanisela umuntu umkhathi, I had ukuthi ngiyosiza umuntu guys, because kunabantu, especially with our parents and grandparents, kunabantu abahlele emibhedeni, and yet lo muntu make nixoxa mhlawumbe sometimes ngixoxa naye akekho aware of ispace akuso. Some will tell you ngamaphupho ukuthi yazi ngibona ini, like ungathi lo muntu lo uya hallucinate, right? Ngathi akekho right ekhanda, ukhuluma izinto ayibonayo, and yet you guys aniziboni lezo zinto, and yet you guys don't understand what the signs and the meanings are, or don't understand what the signs they are seeing. So my first assignment was with a colleague, a white colleague, begumlungu. And so being a medium guys, angithi niyazi ukuthi, or being umuntu we calling, hey bantu, into idonsi kude ingahlangene nawe. Now I went to my colleague, which was basically my senior, and senior in a way that senior in a big corporate company. And I said to her, yazi ngibona uma wakho uyagula, ngimnika istory bese ngithi kuye, ungangivumela ukuthi ngikusize. Athi kimi, no, anginankinga. Ngithi okay fine, starting from kusasa mina nani ekseni sizoyenza kanje kanje. Ma uyobona uma at that time uma wakhe bekase hospice, ma uyobona uma ungitshele, you understand, so that I'm with you in spirit. Mawumvakashela makanixoxela izinto, makakhuluma, makanicela ungirepotele ukuthi ubonani kanjani. Athi okay, no problem. Athi yazi ukuthi Thabi, uma wami umlungu, by the way guys, and I just wanna say guys, abantu bangaphandle nabelungu na other races, believe me, bayayihloniphi ama-calling wethu, bawahloniphi ukudlula thina esihloniphana ngayo singabantu abamnyama. Athi kimi ngiyayibhiliva isiphiwo naso, ngiyabhilivela esiphiweni esinaso, because akusokokuqala ukhuluma nami ngento. Okay fine. I think I ended up adopting the whole family, cause yeah, but then athi kimi uma ubona uyasixoxela ukuthi ngibona indoda emnyama imile la iduzane na indoda emnyama ifaka isigqoko. Guys, this is not a fairy tale, this is what it happened, reality. Athi ifaka isigqoko, yenza this, yenza that, isho kanje. Okay, I think then uma bekangakaguli kakhulu, okay fine, khamba amaviki ngibhizi nje ngibuza, sitshelana, si-updateana. Bese athi kimi ngelinye ilanga, I think it was a Tuesday, athi yo uma bayamkhipha ehospice bathi akusekho into abangamnceda ngayo e-nursing home, so ngicela ukuthi uzobuya ekhaya. Angazi kuzoyenzakalani, but uba wes. Ngithi mina okay, uzongitshela makasekhaya. Okay fine. Makasekhaya, ayi uma kushuthi angabi right ke, ngithi kubo ngicela nishintshe ufurniture. Ngithi ngicela nishintshe the whole surrounding, nishintshe the way umbhedroom engakhona nani. Bafike benze ke batshintshe. Ngithi okay fine. Bese athi kimi one Friday morning, ngisesebhasini ngiyemsebenzini, athi kimi angifonele, athi Thabi kunenkinga. Ngithi mina kunenkinga, kwenze njani? Kusekuseni at about past 6 to 7. Athi mina uma ngimtholi namhlanje sicela ukukulanda, uze manje angaze ngibavakashelele abantu, ngisebenza njani naye nje kuphela. Athi sicela ukukulanda uzobona. Uma ukhuluma izinto esingazizwa, uma asimtholi nje uhlangahlangene, it's okay fine. Ngithi hayi ngiyabonga ukuthi ungitshele ngingakahle. Yabona. So now guys, remember I've never done this, right? And I can already see what's going on. Bese ngithi yabona into ezongisiza, awuthi ke ngifonele uma mami is gifted as well. Awuthi ke ngifonele uma wami ngikhulume naye, ngicela advice kuye. And also not advice, but ngiyazi ukuthi mangi involve yena. Remember guys, ngesinye isikhathi uthola into ephezulu kwamandla akho, and you need a second person or gifted to boost your strength or booster amandla wakho, because mawusaqala in a journey and mawusaqala entweni, amandla sometimes awekho enough for into efane kuyoyimela. So I knew ukuthi i-prayer yakhe would assist me. Remember ukuthi angikwazi phela ukuhamba naye lapha, but ngikhulume naye ngim-explainele. But then bese ke ngiyafika emsebenzini, mangifika emsebenzini I had to go around manje ngifune because angigqokanga appropriately for what I'm about to do. Remember, I know who I am. I know myself by now. I've known for years. I've known since I was a kid. I'm a medium. So, then ngithi mina, okay, ngihambe ngiboleka iduku, ngiboleka into zokuzivala, ngifake ibruku. Bese ke bayangilanda ke siyahamba ke siya emzini loyo. Masifika ngifike before ngizofika ngibatshela ukuthi ngicela ningithengele ikhandlela amakhandlela amhlophe kanje. Remember belungu labantu. Bawathenga amakhandlela, but those lama fancy candles, but i-color is appropriate. Guys, kunesimo where you have to sort it out. You work around ama-logistics. Remember ukuthi ngathini i-knowledge ayifana ngithi. So I can't impose izinto strict rules on them. Fanele ngizodila nalento engibizelwe yona at that moment. Ngifike ke okay fine, ngifike ugogo nangulele embedeni. Ngiqale kumsebenzi, hayi alwe nami ugogo. Akangithukanga kanje ugogo niyangizwa. Alwe nami ugogo, alwe nami, but because avale, so awugoqa umzimba. For me it's a sign yokuthi akafuni ukuletha go. Usemkhathini lo muntu, so kunezinto zasemhlabeni angafuni ukuzishiya, angafuni ukuziyekela, that she's holding on to. So awugoqa umzimba, alwe nami. Ngiqede whatever ngiyenzayo bese ngithi kubo ngicela ukuthi simlinde, simnike hour. Remember guys, ngisemsebenzini, right? But now as I'm attending to this, ngithi ngicela simnike hour bese siyabuyela futhi sizoyenza the same routine, but this time ngizoyenza ngendlela ehlukile, not kakhulu. Okay, and remember ukuthi ngoba akusi race efana neyabantu abamnyama, I have to explain each and everything. Okay, fine. Bese ngithi kubo okay, after an hour sibuyele. Guys, you will umzimba womuntu omdala ubusuthambe ngalendlela ukuthi willingly bese ke ngivumela ukuthi ngingayenza yonke into kuye. Angicela athi kimi bese ngimenza nalapho bekangilwisa khona goqa umzimba, ukhulula umzimba. Bese athi kimi ngicela ukuthi ungibizele umkhwenyana wami. Ngimbize, athi kuye ngicela ukuthi ubheke izingane zami, ubheke umndeni, mina sengiyahamba. Okay, ngithi mina akhulume aqede whatever. Remember, I have to give them space. Bese ngiyabuya ke ngithi okay fine, sesi right ke, ugogo right. This was a Friday, right? Bangibuyisele ke emsebenzini. Went about my day. On Sunday morning I got a call ukuthi ugogo akasekho. Ugogo sekashile. Smooth sailing, azange abe nenkinga. Umuntu omdala uvele wayihambela. And immediately, I think the following day, I don't know whether it was the following day or same day, ngayitholela nje 600 rand. And guys, if space sethu, you know that abantu abadala bazokubhadala either way. Whether usizile ngomusa wakho kanjani, but there's always going to be an appreciation from abantu abadala. So into engizama ukuyisho guys ukuthi abantu they are stuck emikhathini. Abaningi abantu ey'bhedlela umuntu stuck in between imikhathi, stuck in between ama-realms. Spiritual realm, physical realm. And ngesinye isikhathi kukhona umuntu odinga ukusizwa. Yes, it's ibanzima kuwe because uthatha lento lo muntu akuyo ihlale kuwe, but kukhona abantu abadinga ukusizwa. It's not ukuthi abanye abantu bavimbwe ezinye izinto ababambelele kuzo. That was my first assignment, huge assignment. Second assignment now, it was a colleague again. i-husband yakhe umlungu yena she's Indian.